Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 24th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, like I was saying this morning, I actually think we might potentially already be in a wave C because this is definitely one, two, three waves down with a lower high, lower high. So, I think this could be an A. I think this is three waves down for a B. I think we're either in a running or an expanding wave C. If it holds this 78% break structure to the downside, that would be my short. If it doesn't hold that level, doesn't break structure, then it definitely could keep going up, turning into more of an expanding wave C. An expanding wave C would take out the high of wave A before it went back down. So really, honestly, you're probably gonna have to drop down to like the 30-minute time frame because that's where this is tuned correctly. This is where it's making higher highs, higher lows with no break of structure to the downside yet. If there's no break of structure at a Fibonacci level, there's no reason to go short. If it pushes much higher, then it most likely it's an expanding, not a running flat. So anyways, don't forget to check out my my website, fxpipcollector.com, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.